What's up guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make this simple dress / blouse. So let's get started. For this dress I'm using 2 yards of fabric, and then I folded my fabric like this into 4 places. I folded it first into 2 and then into 2. So that's what I have here. So you fold your fabric into 2 and then into 2 again. So I have 36 inches for the length. And then you come over to the top and you take your shoulder measurement. So you divide your shoulder measurement by 2. I have 7.5 inch. So if your shoulder measurement is 15, you divide that by 2, you have 7.5. You do the same for whatever shoulder measurement you have. And then I'll come down on this line, I'll come down by 1 inch. And then I'll just mark the line down to the end, because we're going to have an extended sleeve. And then on this line, I'll take my armhole measurement, which is 9 inches. And then add an additional 1 inch for seam allowance, because I'm going to be joining it both on the top and on the bottom. So I'll draw a line here. Next thing is to take my hip measurement. We're going to use the hip measurement for this dress. We're not using the bust measurement. So you divide your hip measurement by 4. I have 10.5. And then add 3 inches for ease. So on this line, we're going to draw a curved line for the armhole. So we'll make a curved line here, like this. And then just take this line down. Very easy. So here's our sleeve, extended sleeve, and here's the top part of the sleeve. And then next we'll come down to the neck area. So I'll use 3 inches for the neck area. And then you mark your 3 inches. For the back, I'll come down by 2 inches. I'm cutting both front and back. So I have 3 inches for the neck width and 2 inches for the depth of the neck. And then you draw a curved line here, like this. And then connect this line down to this line. So you connect the neckline down to this line, and then you cut the marked line. So we're cutting the neckline and the hip line down to the end. And then separate the front from the back piece. So for the front part, I'll be cutting a V-neck. You place your tape here, and then for mine I'm using 10 inches. So I'll mark my 10 inches here. You can make yours deeper or less than 10 inch if you don't want it to be too deep. So I've marked a V shape here, and then I'll just cut across the line like this. So here's the front part. I got 2 pieces from my leftover fabric. Because I didn't have enough fabric, I'll end up joining them here. And then you just go ahead and cut your facing. You place your front piece on the pieces and then you cut the facing. To turn the neckline. You also cut facing for the back neckline. So I've cut the back facing. I'll just stitch it to the back side of the cloth, of the neckline. When you're done with the neckline, you go ahead and join the shoulders together. You join it from the shoulder to the sleeve side. And then you join the sides of the dress. So after joining the sides of the dress, you go ahead and hem the bottom, and then you hem your sleeves. And that's it. So the blouse is all done. Please like and share this video, and you can also leave your comment. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you for watching. Thank you.